stairs. Stairs command draws automatically single flight or multi-story stairs, in section or elevation. Draw basic projecting lines from plan, for landings and flights. Draw basic lines in section to indicate landing heights. Run stairs command. Select lower and upper points of steps for first flight. A dialog helps you to select stair type to draw. See a preview of each type on the right. Select to draw stair, in elevation or section. Set other options. Program makes all calculations, according your points picked, and set the values for steps. Make adjustments if required, and press OK. And the flight of steps are drawn. A new dialog asks to continue next flight, or exit, to end command. If you select to continue, next flight will change, say from elevation to section. All layers to draw stairs are made by the program automatically. Draw any number of flights, heights, and stair types with precision and very easy.